we're the biggest innovation platform globally. We work with over 100,000 startups. Our goal is we want to have the next unicorn come here from Taiwan City.
桃园全台湾工业产值第1名的城市，希望透过今天的交流，能够带来下一个合作。
Kista is going to run the business worldwide. We need a strong partner like Plug and Play. Through the Quest, Accelerate, and Pioneer, we would like to work with the Taiwan staff together to help them to become a unicorn.
Don't win globally by entering a market. You win by designing a company that can operate globally. Strategy should follow your readiness, not your ambition. You don't go global, you grow into a global company.
Next frontier is where energy meets motion, the electro-industrial base that Taiwan can excel at. We have to leverage our strong foundation to create AI-native machines that we can export to the world.